Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you. We'll be delving deep into the world of entrepreneurship and discussing 10 invaluable tips on how to get rich, all inspired by the remarkable entrepreneur and innovator, Elon Musk. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey. Tip number 1. Follow your passion. At the core of Elon Musk's success lies the power of passion. Find something you genuinely love and believe in. When you're passionate about what you do, it becomes a driving force that propels you forward, increasing your chances of achieving greatness and amassing wealth along the way. Tip 2. Embrace failure. Failure is an inevitable part of any journey to success. Elon Musk has encountered numerous setbacks throughout his career, but he has never let failure define him. Instead, he has embraced it as a valuable learning experience, enabling him to evolve and grow stronger. 3. Think long-term. Musk is renowned for his long-term vision and thinking. He has invested in groundbreaking projects like SpaceX and Tesla, even when many doubted their success. Thinking long-term gives you the patience and resilience to navigate through challenges and witness your dreams materialize. Tip 4. Innovate and disrupt. To achieve significant wealth, you must look for opportunities to innovate and disrupt existing industries. Elon Musk's companies have revolutionized the electric car and space travel industries, proving that game-changing ideas can lead to immense financial rewards. 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Your network is your net worth, as they say. Surround yourself with like-minded, talented, and ambitious individuals who share your vision. Elon Musk always seeks out top-notch engineers and visionaries to work on his projects, recognizing that collaboration with the right team can be a key factor in success. Tip number 6. Take calculated risks. Elon Musk is not one to shy away from taking calculated risks. Before embarking on a new venture, assess the potential risks and rewards. Smart risk-taking can open doors to incredible opportunities and financial gains. But remember, it's about being strategic, not reckless. Tip 7. Continuously learn and adapt. Never stop learning and improving yourself. Elon Musk is a voracious reader and constantly seeks knowledge in diverse areas. Staying curious and adaptable enables you to stay ahead in a fast-changing world, ensuring you're always equipped with the right tools to succeed. Hey, I just want to show you this video about 15 assets that can make you rich. Learn how to invest and where to invest to improve and protect your financial situation. If you haven't seen this video yet, please watch it after this one. You will find the link in the description. Let's continue with our tips inspired by Elon Musk. 8. Invest wisely. Smart investments play a crucial role in building wealth. Elon Musk made strategic investments early on in companies like PayPal, which provided him with the financial foundation to pursue his ambitious goals. Make informed investment decisions and diversify your portfolio to protect and grow your wealth. Tip 9. Be persistent. Success rarely comes overnight. Elon Musk faced many challenges in his ventures, but his unwavering persistence paid off. Don't give up at the first hurdle. Keep pushing forward towards your goals with determination and tenacity. Tip number 10. Give back. Lastly, as you accumulate wealth, remember to give back to society. Elon Musk pledged to donate a significant portion of his wealth to causes like clean energy and space exploration. Contributing to the greater good can bring immense fulfillment and happiness, making your journey to riches even more meaningful. There you have it, our 10 essential tips to get rich, inspired by the visionary entrepreneur, Elon Musk. It's essential to remember that wealth is not just about money. It's also about making a positive impact on the world and leaving a lasting legacy. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with more inspiring stories and valuable tips.